Hi, my name is Lobsang Wangdu. I'm with yowangdu.com. I would like to show you how to make Tibetan hot sauce. Tibetan is called Sepen or jabu. This is basic red pepper. You can get this pepper at most of the food stores. First, you have to soak it in the water. If you don't have very much time, you can soak it in a hot water maybe 20 to 30 minutes. Normally we soak it overnight. This is 1 cup of red pepper. Then, now I'm pouring hot water and let it soak. Just soak it like 20 to 30 minutes. That's all you have to do. I soaked the pepper and I drained all the water. Next step is you need 5 different ingredients: garlic, ginger, cilantro, and salt. Also you need Nyima, which is Sechuan pepper. Now all the ingredients are ready. Half cup of cilantro and 1 teaspoon of Nyima, half teaspoon of salt, a little bit of ginger, and a little bit of garlic. That's all you need. I'm using the Vitamix. Really, you don't need Vitamix. You can use a regular blender. It looks like a little too dry, so I'm adding a little bit of water. Maybe a quarter of cup. So I'm gonna add, so it'll blend better. Okay, it's ready. Now I'm gonna put it in the Tupperware, so it's ready to eat. Let's see how good is this. Basically, this is the grounded hot chili. I'm gonna taste. Pretty tasty. So basically, this is it's not that hard for me. Depends on who you're, how hard you can eat. So this is pretty mild for Tibetans, but yeah. So also it depends on the chili you buy. We Tibetans eat hot sauce with pretty much with everything. Like vegetable, rice, dal, whatever you like to eat, so we always use the hot sauce. Thank you for watching the video. Also, you can check out other Tibetan recipes on yowangdu.com.